Jeff Unger down here at Gardner's RV in Great Falls, Montana. 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road. Today we have the 325PACK13 Limited Wolfpack Extended Season Camping Edition. I'm just going to walk you around this, show you kind of what we got here. Onan 5500 generator, landing leg controls, your other propane, outdoor shower, we'll go inside. Again, 325PACK13. As you step in, you got the island there. Got a little winterization fluid there on the sink. When you come pick this thing up, technician's going to walk through everything with you, teach how to use everything, have everything prepped. We'll get you all hooked up on the truck, all that good stuff. Your ladder is going to clip in right there for your loft bed. These do not come with a TV, but it's something that could be added if you absolutely needed it. Fireplace. The real nice Thomas Paine Collection sofa. This does have the blackout shades, which we tend to have a little better luck with. We love to have those. Nice little upgrade. Go upstairs here. It's where you do all your generator and everything. Heated holding tank switch. We'll step up into the bedroom. Got the walk around so you can make the bed easy. Thermostat. Heating. A little bit of storage. Jack and Jill entry into the bathroom. So you got 2 doors. Toilet. Your bathroom sink. Then you have your shower. And a sliding shower. I like that just because you're not swinging a door open, dropping a lot of water all over the floor. A little more convenient that way. Fan. Take you out here. Give you a full look down. And then we'll walk down into the garage. Did measure, you do have the full 13-foot garage. There's your ladder for the loft. Your patio. Your washer dryer hookups. And then your half bath out in the garage. These do flip over. As you can tell, I'm just doing that real simple with one hand. Give yourself your bunk, and then your top bunk there will come down. When I have power to this, you just hit a switch, drop it right down. Your control for your awning, power, and then your bed lift control I was just explaining, and then some supports out here. Dual door into the garage area. If you have any questions, again, 406-454-0777, Gardner's RV, Great Falls, Montana, 3928 Tri-Hill Frontage Road. Hope to hear from you.